Told you that everything you know about HVAC is about to change. I'm not talking about minor updates or new efficiency standards. I'm talking about a complete revolution that's already happening. In fact, contractors who aren't adapting right now are watching their competitors steal their business. Hey HVAC pros, I'm Chris Morin, and today we're diving into the biggest shift our industry has seen in decades, the decarbonization revolution. Those words make you nervous. Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to turn this challenge into a massive opportunity for your business. Let me break down exactly what's happening, why it matters to your bottom line, and most importantly, how to position yourself to absolutely dominate your market in the next few years. I'd say right now, it's the perfect storm. There's three massive forces that are reshaping HVAC as we know it. First, without making this political on the federal government side and the constant changes in Washington, state government regulations are basically forcing our hand. For example, over the past 15 years, there's 11 states in the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast of the United States that include aggressively reducing carbon use by 80% by 2050. And in order to reach this, most have plans for a complete phase out of gas furnaces, with some already implementing immediate local codes to help them get there. It's not science fiction, it's happening today whether you're ready or not. Second, our customers are changing. They're not just asking about efficiency anymore, they're demanding sustainable solutions, and here's the kicker. They're willing to pay premium prices for them. And third, manufacturers are going all in on electrification. The technology is advancing faster than ever, and if you're not keeping up, you're falling behind. So let's talk about this new HVAC landscape. I want to paint you a picture of what it means for your daily operations. Heat pumps, they're not just for warm climates anymore. They're becoming the new standard everywhere in the United States. Smart HVAC systems aren't a luxury add-on. They're becoming the baseline expectation. And basic installation skills just don't cut it anymore. The game is changing and you need new expertise. I know a contractor that learned this the hard way last year when they lost a $50,000 contract because they couldn't offer the latest heat pump technology and local rebates. So let's talk about your action plan. Here's your step-by-step blueprint to capitalize on this shift. First, get certified and comfortable in heat pump installations now. Don't wait. Next, create green HVAC packages that bundle efficiency upgrades. Then master the rebate programs in your area. This is literally free money and essential for your growth. Of course, build relationships with electricians, solar and weatherization companies. Keep in mind, you all have the same customer. And finally, train your team on consultative selling. This isn't just about features and benefits of your equipment anymore. Look, I get it. Change is uncomfortable. But right now, you have two choices. Lead the charge in your market, or watch your competitors do it instead. The contractors who have already embraced this revolution will own their markets for at least the next decade. If you found this valuable, be sure to like and subscribe for more HVAC business strategy. Drop a comment below with your biggest decarbonization challenge. I read every comment and respond personally. And hey, if you're ready to dive deeper, click the link in the description to learn more on mastering residential HVAC system design. This isn't just about surviving the revolution, it's about thriving in it. Remember, the future of HVAC is here. The only question is, are you ready for it?